Hello, and welcome to Dorsey's International Real Estate Podcast. I'm your host, as well as your guide, Fred Dorsey. Please be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to @Dorsey's Realty on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube. And you can even subscribe to our newsletter, which can be found on the web at dorseysrealty.com. Today's episode: can probate real estate be sold during a probate process? Yes. Probate real estate can be sold during a probate process. Probate is the legal process through which the assets of a deceased person, including real estate, are distributed to their heirs and beneficiaries. In some cases, it may be necessary or desirable to sell a real estate as part of the probate process to settle debts, pay taxes, or distribute the proceeds among the beneficiaries. The sale of a probate real estate typically requires court approval. The executor or personal representative of the estate will typically file a petition with the court seeking permission to sell the property. The court will review the petition and consider factors such as fair market value of the property, any existing liens or claims against it, and the best interests of the estate and its beneficiaries. If the court approves the sale, the executor can proceed with listing the property for sale, engaging a real estate agent if necessary, and completing the sale transaction. The proceeds from the sale will be used to settle any debts or obligations of the estate and distribute the remaining funds to the beneficiaries according to the terms of the will or the laws of the entity. There is no will. Dorsey's Realty disclaimer. It's important to note that specific procedures and requirements for selling property or real estate can vary depending on the jurisdiction and the laws that apply. If you're involved in a probate process and consider selling real estate, it's advisable to consult with an attorney or qualified professional experience in probate law in your jurisdiction to ensure compliance with relevant regulations. Thanks for listening to another episode of Dorsey's International Real Estate Podcast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Stay connected off the show by visiting dorseysrealty.com. Local expertise, global presence. Your resource for all things probate, estate, and trust in the title.